let's talk about the Osmosis Professional Back Bar System, which is truly designed to empower the esthetician to get the most out of her results. You see, traditionally, you have choices of peels that exfoliate the skin and create that temporary plumping. But what we're looking to do is infuse the skin with a number of nutrients and stimulants, but nothing that's too harsh, nothing that actually compromises the health of the skin. You know, the most important product we have is called Facial Infusion, and it contains 2.5% retinaldehyde, liposomally delivered to create a 30-day collagen activation. So this is a powerful tool in your arsenal. But then you can go to the masks and our customizable powders that allow you to create holistic medical facials that include detox facials, calming facials, anything you could imagine. So I really encourage you to take a look at what we have to offer. I think you'll find it enhances your practice incredibly well.